everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Sceptre, so let's get started. So this is the Nexus Sceptre itself. Now it comes with a user manual just here, so very handy information to have about the product if you have any questions. Now the Nexus Sceptre is a prostate vibrator with a very unique design. The Sceptre features a rotating head with two powerful vibration settings. The vibrator is really easily controllable and very easy to handle as well. It has two buttons just at the bottom here, really simple and easy to use. The prostate vibrator is made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and has nubs just here for extra stimulation. The shaft is not flexible, and to turn on we're going to use these two buttons. To turn on, press and hold down and a light will appear. Press on the top button and as you can see the rotations begin. To change, click on the same button and it will go the other way. You can also use the bottom button to stop it and restart it whenever you need. You can have lots of fun prostate stimulation with the Nexus Sceptre. To turn off, press and hold down until the toy is off. Now to charge, it's very simple and easy to do using your USB charging cable provided. Where you see the letters DC, there is a little hole. You're going to push through the silicone and this will not damage the toy. Simply push in like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the Nexus Sceptre, we recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the toy after every use using either toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. The Nexus Sceptre is also waterproof, so you can use this in the bathtub or shower for extra fun sensations. And that is the Nexus Sceptre. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.